I hope everyone's having a great day. We have no power. The kids are supposed to be like e-learning because of Helene. We got this guy putting extension cords through the house. The generator's on out here. I'll show you all my backyard. It's a mess. We're lucky that we don't have any like big, well, those are big, but big trees down like in our yard. But in our neighborhood, there's tons of trees down. Power's completely out because several power lines are completely down. But I mean, we just have a mess to clean up. Anyway, I hope everyone is safe and is doing well. And those of y'all that are affected, I hope